here, Bing. Boarding na kami. We are going now.
Lahat sa unang kompartamento o sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan yung aming tulong, huwag po kayong makatabi. Kami ay... Everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 17 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all
Cebu. Ito na po, palabas na po. Nasa may, yung parang kalesa po kami. Kalesa? Duty free. Sa may duty free? Banda, kuya? Jollibee po ba banda? Welcome to Cebu. Saan daw siya? Anong natin saan banda yung Jollibee? Sige. Duty Free Philippines. Ha? Huh? Jollibee daw. Tanong mo muna kung saan. Diyan o sa guard. So ito yung ano ng airport ng Cebu. Ito airport. Yan ang Kawasan Falls, Sinulog. Ayan yung ano nila, ganda. Trin.